Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing an easy Barbie doll hairstyle for you all. So in today's video, as you all noticed from my previous video, I actually did my chop. So I did my big chop and this is the result. My hair is pretty short compared to how it was before, but I'm loving it. I'm really loving this short hair and I'm glad that I did my big chop. So I'm gonna do my first style on my short hair. So if you all are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Also turn on that notification bell so you don't miss a video from me, because I really do really great natural hair tutorials. So in this video it's going to be like a simple easy style. So I'm going to start by making a part all the way down the middle of my hair. Also, before I forgot, my hair is damp, so especially how my hair is this short, I love really working with my hair when it's really damp. So I dampen my hair and I just use my Shea Moisture Coconut Hydrating Cream. You already know I love that stuff, especially at this stage in my hair growth. So I just part my hair and I'm gonna just use my afro comb and I'm gonna make sure that my hair is free from any knots and tangles. So I'm gonna just comb out my hair and make sure that I push my hair all the way to the top. So I'm just going to be using my Eco Styler and I'm not going to apply too much. I'm just going to make sure that I apply some all the way around my perimeter of my head. So I'm going to be brushing that all the way up using my brush. Now the brush is not hard, it's really kind of soft, because at this stage my hair is soft because of all the dead ends that I got rid of. So guys, don't forget to check out that video where I did my big chop. You all are going to see the results of the style that I did in the end, so you all can check it out. So I'm just going to be using my fine tooth comb and I'm going to make sure that all the fine hair is really nice and smooth, because I love doing a smooth updo or ponytail, whatever updos that I do. I love to make sure that my hair is really smooth. So I'm just going to be using my hair tie and I'm gonna make sure that my hair is really nice and tight, because I love my hair tight also. So I'm still pretty much getting used to the short hair, but on the plus side it's a lot easier to handle, especially at this stage. So oh my gosh guys, it handles really well, so I can't complain. I don't think that I ever want to grow back my hair. I'm just kidding. I really love my hair in both stages, but at this point I think short is the best. So as you all can see, I'm done with my ponytail, my two ponytail, and everything looks nice and smooth. So I'm just gonna tuck in my ends. I'm going to make sure that my ends are tucked in and protected, which is very important, especially when you're doing any type of protective style. Make sure that your natural hair is really tucked in nicely under your extension or any type of style you decide to do. So I forgot to mention to you all that I did use some of my growth oil, my protected growth oil. Also I use that into my scalp. Make sure that my scalp is really nice and oiled and protected as well. So the hair I'm going to be using is the free tress braid. It's the crochet braid, so you all can do any type of style with this. So I actually got like 2 packs and each pack came with like 1 piece of hair. You can use a hair tie to attach on your extensions, but I'll just use the rubber band that it came with. So to disguise my natural hair and the extension, I'll just fold the extension over my bun using a hair tie to make sure that it's really nice and secure. So after this step is done, I'll just use like some hairpins to further secure my extensions with my natural hair. So you all can use like any type of hairpins or what type of method that you all do to secure your extensions. So I'll just grab a piece of my extensions from the bottom and I'm going to just wrap it around the root of where my natural hair and the extension is. So I'll just further do this step to make sure that my natural hair and the extensions look really natural. It's also a really great way to look like it's your own natural hair, so don't skip the step if you decide to do any type of style using extensions. So now that my style is done, I decided to add some hair strings to my hair, and I decided to use gold because I have both gold and silver. So I think it's called the hair braiding strings. I believe it's the hair accessories for braids. So I'm just going to be using that to wrap around where my bun and my extension is to give it a little more flavor. I think that it popped the look a little bit more. What you guys think? So I'm just going to be using my hairpins to make sure that it's secure, and I did use like 2 pieces of string to each section of my hair, but you all can use a little bit more if you all want a little more glam to your look. So I think that the 2 pieces did the job. So I'm gonna just wrap around each pieces of hair string to each section of my hair, and I'm gonna just pin it down to make sure that it's really nice and secure. So I'm going to briefly do my edges, nothing fancy today because I don't want anything to take away from my hair look. So one fun fact about this edge control, it has like a tint, so it helps fill in any gap that's in front of your hair that's looking spacey. It helps to fill in that gap, so I love using these edge control, especially for this particular style. So edges is not a must, it's optional. So I know many of you don't like doing your edges, you all feel like it takes away from the style, so you all can do your edges, you all don't have to do it, it's optional. So anything you all feel to do, it's your preference. So this is how the look came out, guys. If you all like it, please let me know in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Become part of the family, support your girl, support your sis. I really would appreciate if you guys do. So just remember, stay beautiful, stay blessed, create magic, y'all, and I'll see you all in another one of my videos. Bye.